Hey folks, Saidi Johnson, Marine Max Sail and Ski. Today we're on the 2020 Bayliner DX2250. This is a brand new boat model for Bayliner. This is a deck boat. Take a look at how much space this boat has. Look at the swim platform. Look at the rear area. You got flip-flop seating on this boat to utilize and make efficiency out of the space that's being used. Also, another efficient setup is forward-facing captain's seat, rear-facing, and also a lay-down. Great features there. Good efficiency. The other thing the boat has is a nice head compartment, porta potty. Nice setup. It's got the water sports tower along with the bimini top, so lots of shade. Shade's important, but one of the key features that we want to point out about this deck boat is that look at how much space it has. 22-foot boat, laid out nicely, and you'll see it's got a windshield, it's got MP3 or Bluetooth radio, nice dash cluster, nice stitching in the seats, spacious bow. Check out that bow. Got a nice galley here. Lots of storage space under the seats. Great boat. So come to 183 North, Austin, Texas. Marine Max Sail and Ski. Saidi Johnson, we'll see you there. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.